Hello friends. In this video, we'll talk about quarter 3 results of Waaree Renewable Technologies. Revenue went up by 11% at 360 crores versus 324. EBITDA was down by 18% at 72 crores versus 88 crores. EBITDA margin was also low, 20% against 27%, and net profit were down by 16.7%. So, it is very clear then that margins were heavily under pressure, and the reason for contraction in margin because of cost of EPC contracts, which increased by 31%. Employee benefit expenses rose by 64%, and other expenses doubled to 4.57 crores. So though revenues were decent, but still there was pressure in terms of margin. And even in revenue also, the reason for low growth in the revenue is because of this is uh, quarter which completed after elections. And before election, it is generally observed that government increases its capex spending, and companies like Waaree Renewable are natural beneficiary of it. But since the election is over, now government has reduced its spending, and we in fact have seen that growth numbers for overall GDP growth for India also were not that great, and that is having an overall impact on uh, margins and revenue for companies like Waaree. And stock market has reacted to it as well. Stock price went down by as much as 6%. If we talk about its overall market size, then company has a market cap of around 12,000 crores and has a PE of 62, has a good ROE ROC numbers. ROC is of 107% and ROE is of 80. Uh, Company gives very low dividend yield of 0.08. Uh, Comparing its current valuation with historical one, then it is still trading at a valuation which is more than its historical average of 45.4. uh, it showed pretty good growth and that is the reason why both valuations have gone up. And because of improvement in profits, stock price also performed very well in last few quarters. But somewhere now that is getting normalized, and we in fact have seen a great correction in this stock price as well. If we talk about its growth rate, then sales growth for last 5 years is 180% and profit growth is 244%. So it is pretty high. Before COVID, stock was not doing well, and in fact the company also was not performing well. It had a sales and profit number in single digits, but then after COVID, sales and profit numbers have gone up, and that is getting reflected in its stock price as well. Stock price also performed pretty well after COVID. If we talk about its technicals, then company's current stock price is near 1100 mark. It had a strong support near 1286. It did take support near this level in the past, but stock has broken down and is currently trading below that level. It also was respecting the resistance of a trend line, but now it's trading at a price which is below its long time support. We'll have to see how stock performs. Since the results were not good, we can expect it to be under pressure in coming few weeks. Guidance for next quarter and overall market sentiment will have to improve in order to have a good uptick in its stock price. Stock will have to break out the 100 to 86 levels and need to maintain there, uh, and then only we can expect an uptrend in this stock. Remember friends, this analysis is only for the educational purpose. Kindly do not consider it as a stock buy or sell recommendation. Kindly do your own due diligence before investing in any stock. Thank you.